not to lash their fear. It's my divine power.
Yes. How it make me feel. Here we go. People say that I'm over trouble. When they talk about me, they promote it still. They told me real to recognize the real. But if you're real, then you should know Camille. If you don't, then you should get it.
Man, my cameraman back, man. Didn't even get everything. We done to the roof.
Too upset when I watch the news, so I.
You know you ain't right, man. You gonna sandbag on me, then you just a little bit, man. I know you gonna do me the same way. Man, you like it all right though? Yeah. Yeah. Wait till I get those Neos though, bro. All right.
Everybody will leave. For Bentley, scripts and diamonds, everything that you see. I should be chilling with a bad one somewhere out by the beach.
It's shaking? Yeah, that sub was bouncing around. Let's see what it's doing.
Yeah, something about driving out the city to the end of the road. Something about taking everything about as far as it goes. Something about knowing.
Shook it loose.
Hey, Sonny have the same problem, man. We done rebolted his twice. We done gave up.
Keep snatching it right out. Yeah.
It sounds good though, man.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Let me try to tighten that thing down some. All right, guys. So I'm still here at the show. When I'm having issues with that rear sub working itself up. I think the bolts is too long, so that's the reason why it's not getting a good bite. So I'm gonna try to go around and see if I can find somebody that's got some 10-20 bolts. It's a little bit shorter. I knew I was gonna have an issue with that. I knew I was. It's that just that one back there. Everything else is holding in, but gonna try to see if I can find somebody that's got some bolts or whatever, or some latch screws that I could use, because anything like above 28 is working itself up out of there. So let's go see if I can find something.